Hi everyone, today we're gonna build a clean and simple carousel right here in After Effects. No time to waste, let's get it. Open a new project and create a new comp. Right click right here and drop a new shape. Add a rectangle through a fill on it. And give it them curved corners. Now make 3 copies of the rectangle, give each one a different color, and don't forget to name them. Switch them all to 3D layers. Now I'm just gonna tweak the position for each one, just like you see me doing here. It's time for the controllers. Create a null. With the null selected, hold Ctrl and double tap the anchor point tool to snap it to the center. Hit Ctrl plus Home to pop the null right in the middle of the comp. Now duplicate it 4 times. I'm naming this one main, and I will name the rest after the shapes, like I'm doing. Right now, flip them to 3D. Now I am adjusting the position of each null, just like I did with the shape layers. To see the vibe of what's going on, change the view to custom view. Now we gotta link them. First, parent these nulls to the main null. Then link the red shape to the red null, and just keep it going like that. Alright, animation time. Grab all the nulls. Hit R to pull up the rotation. Drop some keyframes, then hit U twice to clean up the view. Now move the playhead 12 frames. Here is the trick. I'm gonna rotate the main null 90 degrees forward so it goes from 0 to 90. But for the rest of them, we gotta do the opposite so they stay level. I'm gonna rotate the other nulls minus 90 degrees. That's gonna take them from 0 back to 270. Just follow what I'm doing on screen and you will get the point. Now, check this out. If you type in 360, don't trip when After Effects flips it back to 0. It's the same exact spot and the circle, so the software just clean it up for you. So I'm keeping it at 0. Now let's bring in 4 images. I found these online for free, so you can grab whatever looks good to you. Switch back to a custom view so we can see the 3D space. Grab your first image and flip it into a 3D layer. Scale it up and tweak the position until it's right where you want it. Now hit F4 to pull up the track matte options. Pick the yellow shape layer as the matte. Once that's set, link the image to the yellow null so they move together. Just keep it doing like that for the rest of the images. Rinse and repeat for each color. Now create a 50mm camera. Now turn on the depth of field. Go to custom view and change the focal length to be on the front pick. Change the aperture to get the blur on the background. Let's create a background. Drop a solid. And give it 4 color gradient effects. Now add Venetian blends effect to get them lines in there. Give it a glow effect to make it shine. And that's it. If you liked the video and found it useful, give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.